Is dropshipping dead in 2023? A lot of people say that dropshipping is no longer working and it's all a scam. No, that's far from the truth. Dropshipping is just getting started. Dropshipping has evolved and technology has made it easier and more efficient. In the past, dropshipping was crowded and hard and also very competitive. But today, advancements in e-commerce technologies, automation tools, and digital marketing have leveled playing field. Today, I'll share everything about dropshipping and how you can get into it fast today and efficiently. Winning products and tactics. How can you find a winning product? I'll tell you. Firstly, go on sites like AliExpress, Alibaba, and just look at what they have. A product has to have three things: an interesting design, a problem it solves, and a problem it creates. If it has those three things, then you have a winning product. Take that product and test it. How can you test it? With the help of the Pandora tactic. Make a website. Don't get stock. Spend money on advertising. If people order, get stock. If people don't order, no stock. If you lose, you lose. If you win, you win. If you win, you win. The things you're missing. So, what's the thing you're missing and why are you thinking dropshipping is dead? I'll tell you what you're missing. Winning product. You need way more than one winning product. Winning products are your key to dropshipping success. You have to find a specific niche firstly. Then you have to install research tools. Type research tools extensions. You have to analyze the trends, the analytics, and product sorting strategies. What I just said in those 30 seconds is worth way more than $500. Just rewatch it. Go 30 seconds back. The things that I said can give you a competitive advantage and you can make a crap ton of money. Winning strategy. Next. Is that your strategy is nothing working? Then you're at the right place. Dropshipping is not just about listing products. It's about marketing. It's about branding and customer service. We'll cover topics like SEO optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, and customer retention strategies to build a profitable dropshipping business. This video, I don't want it to be too long. Click the link in my bio. The first link, you have it there. Now, in this part of the video, I'll tell you my story on dropshipping. My journey started back in January this year. I made a simple dropshipping store, but remember, this was not my first time trying dropshipping. I tried dropshipping back in 2019. I made some money there. Because of some shipping errors, I had to close down. January, I started one more. I made $6,000 in total. How? With the help of one winning product. It's this product. I made $6,000 with that in 2 weeks. Then I found something better, SMA. I stuck to that and I'm still doing it to this day. How to apply and how to be a CEO. Finally, we'll discuss how you can be a CEO and apply these principles of becoming a millionaire with the help of dropshipping. You can be the CEO of your own e-commerce platform business, and I'll guide you through the steps. Make a simple website, add stock, and promote. That's all there is to it. Like I said, if you want everything in depth and super specific, click the link in my bio. You have everything there. That's everything on dropshipping. I've given you so much data sets, it's crazy. And if you click the link in my bio, you'll be amazed. Drop a like and subscribe, guys. Dropshipping is not close to death, it's rising. Or you can say it's resurrect. Dropshipping has just begun and dropshipping will make you rich, successful, famous, and more. Luke Belmar is a perfect example. Don't you want to be like him? A multi-millionaire trying to get to the billionaire status fast, efficiently, and that's the true purpose of life. Check out my other videos. You have author modules and overall business tricks. You can find the playlist somewhere here or here. See you. Have a good day and beautiful day.